LinkedIn's vision is to create economic opportunity for every member of the global workforce. We aim to accomplish that through innovative and efficient go-to-market technology. Our current strategy is one around centralization of our technology as well as modernization. Adobe's played a really pivotal part in LinkedIn's journey. It's become pretty evident through engagements with Adobe, the importance of the content supply chain and understanding the need to centralize our content for more efficient scale, governance, control. Trust is at the core of everything we do. One of the key decisions on going deeper and investing with Adobe was how they put trust and compliance at the forefront. Having a relationship that's founded on transparency and trust, and being able to hear feedback from Adobe on this is really what their point of view and guidance is, both best practice and what they know about LinkedIn infrastructure and ecosystem, as well as what they see from other clients, helps us make more informed decisions. Some of the challenges we're facing is around prioritization, ensuring that we're focusing on the right areas, the right things, knowing that bandwidth is not unlimited. Another would be ensuring that we are making the right trade-offs at the right time, particularly as we go through some of the more complex migrations or modernizations. We definitely look to Adobe Professional Services not just as a consultant, but more of an extension of a mindset that we have where we're all working towards a common goal. Across the board, we've been able to do that really consistently and effectively.